Water, what makes up 71% of Earth's surface, an unimaginably vast space known to be inhabited by a majority of Earth's living organisms. Among the southern hemisphere is the largest animal on the planet, an amazing, wonderful creature, Balænoptera musculus, but more commonly known as the blue whale. Weighing as much as 200 tons, approximately 33 elephants, with a heart the size of a Volkswagen Beetle, and a stomach that can hold 1 ton of krill, the blue whale ranges from 24 to 25 meters as an adult. But even as the largest animal, it poses a great danger of becoming extinct. Due to human impacts, this majestic animal's population is dwindling. Mainly affected by whaling in the 20th century, the blue whale population dropped, and approximately 350,000 blue whales were killed just in the southern hemisphere. It wasn't until 1967 that there was a worldwide protection plan for the blue whales put into place. Even with the ban, it still took a while for their population to replenish, and sadly, we are still causing their species to be struggling. Due to population overfishing of their main food source, krill, ship strikes where boats collide into blue whales, and becoming entangled in fishing gear, the blue whales' numbers continue to stay at a level where they are defined as an endangered species. Whales, being at the top of the food chain, have an important role in the overall health of the marine environment. Thus, it is important that they stay healthy and we don't put them at risk of extinction. Blue whales moderate the amount of krill in the ocean, and without them, krill population will skyrocket. Thus, they maintain a stable food chain. As well, whale feces regulates the amount of carbon in the atmosphere. Luckily, with a diverse genetic diversity among the blue whales, their population is growing, but an important animal for the marine environment needs to be protected. There are many organizations out there already trying to help protect the blue whale. Some of these organizations are the WWF, World Wildlife Fund, increasing awareness to the problems arising towards the blue whale and promoting marine protected areas, and the IWC, International Whaling Commission, regulates whaling and dealing with other threats to the whales. Thanks to these organizations, growing concerns for the blue whales has arose, and more people are becoming knowledgeable for these creatures. The WWF is using satellite tags to see what specific routes are used by the whale and which areas are used the most often. This information will help inform decisions about protected areas to prevent interactions between whales and salmon farms or wild-caught fisheries. These animals need our help to stay alive. Without our help, we will force them into extinction. 20 years from now, people will look back at this time and wonder, why weren't we taking action when we could to protect these magnificent creatures? Now we can, and we must act now. To find out more information, go to www.panda.org to help and support the blue whales.